we go? Who will we be? What will we do? Who will we see? It sure will be fun. That much we know. Go, go, kitties, let's go. Go, kitty, kitties, let's go.
All right, time for bed, kittens.
Aw, if we were grown-ups, we could stay up late.
That would be so much better than being a kid.
Wouldn't it be great if there was a machine that could let you change who you are?
Hey, why don't we make up a bedtime story about that?
Yeah!
And I know just what we'll call it, the Changinator. Once upon a time, there was an inventor who invented all sorts of things, like a machine
That would tickle you.
and another that could...
Eat your vegetables for you.
But his greatest invention was the Changinator, which could change you into whatever you wanted to be.
Yes! It's finished. Now I just need a couple of guinea pigs.
We could be guinea pigs.
Or regular pigs.
Or aardvarks. Or anything.
Go, kitty kitties, let's go!
Go! Hi, we'll be your guinea pigs.
But actually, we'd prefer to be bats.
Great!
Yeah, bats can stay up all night.
And fly wherever they want.
Then bats it is. Put these on. If you decide you don't like being bats, call out Changinator, and you'll get sent right back here.
That'll never happen.
Ready?
Ready!
Wow, we're really bats.
And we're really flying.
In the middle of the night. Whee!
Baddies, dinner!
Just in time. I'm hungry.
Me too.
You're in luck. I made your favorite.
What's that?
Bugs. What else?
Yuck!
What do you mean, yuck? Bats love bugs.
Not this bat.
Changinator!
What? You didn't like being bats?
The flying was amazing.
But eating bugs? That's gross.
Well, would you like to be something else instead?
How about fish?
Yeah, it'll be awesome to swim underwater.
Then fish it is. Ready?
Ready!
Wow, swimming's even better than flying. Your bubble looks like a crab.
How about this one?
A turtle.
How about this?
Shark.
No.
Duck.
No.
No, kid duck. A shark.
Ah!
Changinator!
Hey, I just cleaned that.
I don't want to be a fish. I want to be a skunk.
Then skunk it is.
P.U. You stink. I want to be a porcupine.
Then porcupine it is.
Ow, that hurts.
Sorry.
I want to be a snake.
Then snake it is.
Ah! I want to be a tyrannosaurus.
Wait! There's only enough Changinator juice for one more change. Whatever you become next, that's what you'll stay forever.
Then we want to be kittens.
Ah, good choice. Kittens it is.
And so Kit and Kate turned back into kittens and landed safely in their own beds.
They're warm, comfy beds.
Yeah.
Sure you don't want to switch places with me? I'll go to sleep, and you can stay up late to do the laundry and dishes.
Sounds really fun, Mom.
But we'll just dream about it instead. Go, 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 go. Where will we go? we do? Who will we see? It sure will be fun. That much we know. Go, go, kitties, let's go. Go, kitties, let's go.
I can't wait to shop for Dad's present tomorrow.
I'm getting him a new tie.
A tie? That's a terrible present.
We know what Dad would like. A remote control spider. Meep, meep.
Or a doll that wets her diapers.
I'll tell you what I'd like right now, to make up a story about a silly monkey.
No, Mom. You'd much rather make up a story about a genie.
Oh, all right then. A genie. And I wish to call this story...
Wait! I have a title I know you'll love. I wish, my wish.
Once upon a time, there was a genie.
Who was stuck inside his genie lamp.
Hey, you, kid! Just rub the lamp and I'll be free to grant you 3 wishes!
Okay.
Finally! Hey!
The bird carried the genie's lamp far out into the sea.
I command you to let me go! I didn't mean here. Now no one will ever find me.
And the genie sat stuck in his lamp for thousands of years.
Until one day, a ship landed on the island.
Hey, Kit, we could be the sailors on the ship.
Yeah, and free the genie.
And then he'll give us whatever we want.
Go, kitty, kitties, let's go! Go on, rub it, Kate.
Hey, Mr. Genie, come on out.
Whee! I'm free! How can I ever thank you?
Those 3 wishes?
Oh, yeah, right. Anything you want, wish away.
We wish for a cold glass of chocolate milk.
Yeah, that's the best.
You don't want that. I know something much better. Strawberry camel milk. Here.
No thanks.
Smells funny. Ugh.
But it was the Sultan's favorite.
They don't like my milk.
All right, then. Wish number 2.
We wish for cool caps.
And magic sneakers.
Lame. I'll show you what's cool. Designer turbans and pointy shoes. They're super popular.
Maybe 1,000 years ago.
And for your 3rd and final wish?
A ride on a rocket.
Please?
Yes, a ride on a rocket! Actually, I know something much better. A flying carpet! Get on! Hold on tight!
We wanted a speedy rocket.
Better to go slow. You don't miss anything.
Like that tree? Look out!
So that's 3 wishes, and you're welcome.
But they weren't our wishes.
Come on, they were even better.
To you, maybe.
Okay, I'm feeling generous. I'll grant you 1 extra bonus wish.
Our wish is...
I have a better idea.
Genie!
Right.
We wish you would have listened to what we wanted.
Instead of telling us what you thought we should have.
Your wish is my command. Really? Hey, that stuff does look pretty awesome. You think I could have a ride in your rocket?
Your wish is our command. That's a great story, Mom.
Good night, kittens.
Dad, what do you want for your birthday?
We have a bunch of ideas, but it's all stuff that we would want.
We want to know what you want.
What I really want is to have a nice day with you.
We know the perfect place for that.
The playground!
You read my mind.